through this companion for chapter 3 together. This dashboard covers everything in chapter 3, vertical lift performance, choke performance, and how they combine with the IPR to find your well's actual operating point. Start at the top. First decision, which IPR you're going to use. Pick PI if your reservoir stays above the bubble point. That gives a straight line IPR. Pick Vogel if you're below the bubble point, fully saturated. That gives the current IPR from chapter 2. Pick Composite if your well crosses the bubble point pathway down, straight line above bubble point, Vogel shaped below it. The hint text right under the radio button actually tells you which one fits using the exact rule from the lecture. Above bubble point, use PI. Below bubble point, use Vogel. Crossing bubble point, use composite. So set your reservoir pressure, productivity index, and bubble point if relevant. Then move into fluid and tubing, API gravity, water cut, and gas oil ratio all shape the VLP curve because GLR or gas liquid ratio does actually two competing things. It lightens the fluid columns, which helps, but it also adds friction, which hurts. Pick a tubing size from the drop down and set the depth. Okay. Water cuts, gravity, productivity index, reservoir pressure, and others. So now the surface side. You can either fix the tubing head pressure directly or flip the toggle to let the choke size control it. So you can do it by using this. Okay. When you do that, the dashboard solves the choke equations, the VLP and the IPR all at once, just like combining figures 323 and 324 from the slides. The big chart in the middle shows IPR and VLP together, okay, with the red dot at the natural flow point. This is the operating point, okay. That's your actual answer. So on the right, you can get the flow rate, flowing bottom hole pressure, and the hydrostatic versus friction breakthrough. Along the bottom, choke performance, a simple pressure depth profile, and a tubing size comparison that automatically flags which size gives you the highest rate. That's the optimum tubing size exercise done live. Okay.